Welcome to API2Cart, your unified e-commerce API integration solution. In this video, you'll learn how to get started with API2Cart and easily develop integrations with e-commerce platforms. To begin, you need to create your account. You can sign up using your Google or LinkedIn account, or simply enter your corporate email, first and last name and a secure password. Once you've filled in the details, click Register. To complete the registration, you need to enter the necessary fields like company website URL and some additional information like industry, business case, desired platforms, etc. Now, you can add a client store to your API2Cart account. API2Cart allows you to add an unlimited number of client stores and manage them easily. Connecting your store to API2Cart depends on the type of shopping platform, hosted or open source platform. Let's walk through how to add a store based on a hosted platform. In the left menu, click on Stores. Then, click the Add Store button. You'll need to choose the platform on which the store was built. In this tutorial, we'll use a demo store based on Shopify. Next, paste the store's URL, API key, and API password. You can find a step-by-step guide on how to get these credentials in our FAQ section. After entering this information, click Add. Congratulations! Your store has been successfully added. Now, you can use all API2Cart methods to retrieve and manage store data. To get started, press the API Methods button. Here, you'll find the supported API methods for a current shopping platform. For example, to retrieve a list of orders from your customer's store, click on the Order List method. The response will be delivered in JSON format, which you can process within your system to offer excellent service to your customers. For more detailed information, visit our documentation to learn how to fully leverage API2Cart's capabilities. API2Cart is the perfect solution for software providers in order and inventory management, shipping, pricing, marketing automation, and more. It allows you to integrate with multiple shopping platforms and marketplaces seamlessly through a single, unified API. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to assist you. With API2Cart, integrating with multiple e-commerce platforms and marketplaces has never been easier.